Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Bionano Genomics, or BNGO stock. Whoever has been pumping this particular market in BNGO really needs to stop, because what they're trying to do, it's not working. Price in BNGO continues to fall. So rather than market being pumped and going higher in price has been going the opposite direction and been going lower. So they kind of need to stop, because maybe if they stopped, then price in BNGO could possibly begin to lift and go higher. Take a look. I did a price prediction in BNGO as well, though. Last time I did a video was on September the 13th, 2022. Now, I was bullish into the market in BNGO at that moment in time, and just look at how long it took for the market to come to our area of ultimate TP, which is around $2.90. Yeah, so from out the gate, I admit, you guys can see price went down. Yes. Now, I had my support area around 220, but support should have been here instead. $1.77, $1.75. That is where I should have kept support into the market in BNGO, because that is where the market found buyers and price began to lift. But it's not a coincidence that price in BNGO actually topped out to where I said it was going to go. That was on 14.5%. Imagine if you didn't know when to get out of the position. This was the high into the market in BNGO right there on November the 15th, 2022. So I did a price prediction in September. It took November the 15th for us to get the ultimate TP price, 14.5%. Now, of course, did I get it right or wrong? It's up to you, because the market exceeded our support area at 220, came down to 175. So yes, I did get that incorrect. But overall, we timed how high the market's going to go in terms of price levels, right there around $2.90. Because look, zooming out, market hasn't gone that high since then. So that's a good call on that perspective. But let's get rid of it, okay? Because obviously we are in a downturn into the market in BNGO. So that's the first thing we're going to do, is we're going to simply follow the market. Okay, that's the first thing we're going to do, because this is going to let us know how strong the market is in BNGO. Once we see price come through and break this downtrend line, it is going to tell us when we need to come in and anticipate a change occurring. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this horizontal line here and utilize it as support. Now, we don't have any areas of support outside of this low that came in on May of 2022, outside of here. Okay, so the next level had to be like $1. $1 will have to be the next area of support in BNGO. Okay, so let me extend this over here first, because outside of $1.17, $1.15 cents, we're going to hit $1 next. Okay, now when I show you all this weekly chart, that should give you a little bit of idea as to how we could possibly see the market run down to $1. So here it is. When you look at these weekly price bars in conjunction, this week of February the 6th, the 13th, and then on the 21st, there's no buyers here at all, period. This is just a weak market right now in BNGO. There is a slight chance, I want to show you, that we could possibly see the market bounce here around $1.27. $1.25. Now, looking at the weekly chart, I'm not convinced that it's going to hold support there. You can look at this on the 2-weekly chart as well too. That's definitely some weakness into the market at BNGO. We close on the very bottom of this 2-weekly price bar. Tells us that there's not sellers in the market. Okay. Look at this on the 5 weeks. So in the next 11 days, so I'm not going to be dependent on what we're looking at right now, but that's definitely telling me that there's no buyers here. Here on the monthly chart, in the next day and 10 hours, take a look. The last, I would say the last 4 months has been drastically weak in the market in BNGO outside of January the 3rd, 2023, the month of January. The next 3 months, starting in November, December, and then February, that's all weakness there. We're not seeing any buyers into the market in BNGO right now. So I am done. Let me go ahead and put it on this price prediction. I'm just going to drop 2 targets though. So let me go ahead and put these two targets on the market. That first target is going to be right there on our horizontal line, which is only 7.87% profitability. You guys can see it there, around $1.17. Okay, that's our first target. My second one's going to be $1. That is around 21.25% move to the downside. Okay, right there towards $1. That is it. I'm not going to play anything lower than that right now, but we're definitely going to look for the market and the BNGO to come to one of those targets. And if we see price trade below $1.55, then our expectation of looking for the market to go down in BNGO is still applicable. All right, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button today and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.